welcome the Miss Unta. Candidate number 1, Miss Rhea May Unta Montañez. Post. Candidate number 2, Miss Melanie Unta Caños. Candidate number 3, Miss Shaira May Unta Agualada. Post. Ay. Candidate number 4, Miss Jasmine Unta Cuago Obo. Post. And last candidate, Miss Maria Concepcion Unta Muñoz.
Hindi masyado kita, malabo talaga eh.
Pag ganun.
Here's the Unta candidate. Eh? Pose. Next.
Next!
Next.
Ay, nakikita ba?
With the popo person.